This is Richa here. So today we will talk about future perfect. In previous class, I had taught you future continuous. But today we will talk about future perfect. So let me introduce about the future perfect. Okay, how to use it and how to recognize. If you just got future perfect tense, how to recognize and how to put rules according to the grammar. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so future perfect, we use future perfect tense to express an action. We use future perfect tense to express an action before another action or activities in the future that will happen in the future, so that will be in the future perfect. I just tell you by the examples with the rules. Okay, let's take a rule. Rule is, we will use will, have plus verb of third form, no matter you have which subject. Subject can be a singular or plural. He, she, it, you, we, they, I, any name or people or children. Any subjects doesn't matter. But you will always use only helping verb of only will, have. Okay. So will rules, will plus have plus verb of third form. Okay, so let's take an example. We will have taken breakfast before guest come. So what I said, we use future perfect tense to express an action in the future and before another action. Before another action that will happen in the future. Okay, so your work will happen before another activities. Your work should be finished before another activities. Before any actions, your work should be finished. Okay, so before guests come, that we will have taken a breakfast. Okay, so this is a simple. And if we talk about the negative, so same here, after helping verb we will use not as always. So will, after will we use not. So the next example, I will not. Did you remember that? Will not means won't. I won't have verb of third form. I won't have studied. I won't have studied before Kiran comes. because she has my book. Okay, I won't have studied before Kiran comes because she has my books. Okay, and if your sentence is interrogative, so don't forget, in interrogative sense put the interrogative sign, and as we always use in helping verb, we will use in the beginning of sentence will plus subject plus have plus verb of third form and then object. Okay, so simple, negative, now interrogative. Will she have completed? Will she have completed her task before children came? Children come. Children come. Okay. Will she have completed her task before children come? Okay. So you will have to memorize in your mind will have plus verb of third form and then subject and object, whatever you use, and will never change in any helping verb. Doesn't matter that you have subject any. Your subject can be a singular, plural, I, we, you, they, she, he, name, anything. So you have to use only will. And why we will use? We will use future perfect tense to express an action. Before we use future perfect tense to express an action in that future, that action will be before in another activity. Okay, so just learn it and just use it, the rule, according to the rule, and will not miss won't. Okay, so bye till then, and just make a practice future perfect tense and just do it. And please just tell me by the comment section that you are doing practicing or not. If you are not doing practicing, so it's really very useless for me, and if you are doing practice, so definitely it's really very useful for me, not only for you all, only for me as well. Thank you so much and have a great good day. Thank you.